How to use My Version app for data tracking. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you use My Version app data track. So what you need is, first thing first, you could install the app or you could use My Version app website as well. So here I have these app, or I'm gonna use the browser version of it. Next, what you need is, you could simply go ahead and track your data using your My Version app just by opening and sign into your view your current uses on the home dashboard or uses section. This provides a breakdown of the data used by each line on your account and allow you to view historical uses from the previous billing cycle. Now from the home screen, you just have to tap on mobile or home tab to find the users section. Then to see the data for a specific phone number, you could tap on the down arrow icon next to the current device in the users section and select the desired line. You could use a data utilization tool available for non-limited plans to see how data is being used, such for the local media streaming or web browsing. And you could also check the past cycle if you want to. This is how you're supposed to use My Version app for data tracking. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.